Guys, you know that my name is Dipankar Mondal. If you follow me, then you know that. Hi, my name is Dipankar Mondal, or I am a digital marketer. Right now, I am pursuing the XYZ course in some reputed brand, a reputed course. After the course completion, I going to the some agency work, but I have to work in some client or some project in USA, or I have to I have to run my own drop shipping store. As you know that, because I'm share my experience in some past video, and today this video I just explain or share my thought process. What is the digital marketing, what happened in the digital marketing, or what also what be businesses to need in a digital marketing for the or either the traditional marketing. That's like digital marketing is, what is a digital marketing? If you want to know that what is a digital marketing is to spread your awareness, to sell your product, to helping the to helping the to help or to helping that digital platform like Facebook, YouTube, on Google and Instagram. That be platform you help them, or to avoid your spread you ever your awareness, spread to your awareness. But like, just suppose example, you have to a shop, but you want to people are aware your brand or aware your shop. Then be reason you can, so you want to do two things. One think is that you can do distribute in physical pamphlet, you have to do the doing the banner ads, or roadside banner, or that be the traditional marketing. Or if you go to the, if you are traditional marketing so much expensive, you doing that. Or if you want to, if you go to the digital marketing, there you have to two choice. One is paid media, one is organic media. If you choose the organic media, that be time you create a Facebook page, in YouTube page, and making a video, making a content to spread your awareness, to showcase your shop, to showcase your brand, to showcase your product related, how you do that. Or but it's a like, it goes up to the organic. Or if you want to the more people in the, according to you target, like your target is some kind of female, then you can also select it of your according. That's called that's you go to the Facebook ad manager, or just set up the campaign for the woman, because of you selling the woman product related. Then with you go to the ad manager, or the selected the interest behavior related, you select the campaign of the interest behavior, or you can show the ad with the woman. That be you do that. But in a traditional media you can do that, or you can target, you cannot be measurement in the who is a who can show the your ad. Basically you can track, but in the digital media you track the who is your actually needed to show the your ad, who according to your product, what kind of what audience you target. That be you control on your hand. But in a traditional media you can do that. It's the benefit of the digital marketing. But digital marketing is a uh, too much uh, too much cheaper than traditional marketing. Or if you have the 100 rupees in a day, then you can show the ads. Then two daily basis 5,000 people, or in a local area and a Indian level. But I suggested you, if you have a local business and local shop, you show your ad, and a 10 to 5 around, you can show the ads with the good of 100 rupees daily budget. Or if you earn the minimum is a 15k on 20k in a profit, I can suggest it you 20% budget you can always invest in a digital marketing because of it's a good amount to return. People are not be aware what you do that what you be what you give at the benefit the audience. People not be aware can't be and visited your stores. I just suggested you do invest in a digital marketing, or if you know that how to do that, I just help you everyone. You can just message me on the comment and drop out, or you can me follow and then LinkedIn or Instagram, or if my Instagram handle is I am Dipankar Mandal, or my LinkedIn profile name is Dipankar Mandal. You can search me on, or if you can do that. One things of comment the videos. I just helping you or text it with me. That I also doing that. It's no, it's all of free also I do.